Office 365 hardware solution security features include multi-factor authentication, Premier network, certificate trust and federation trust, hardware load balancer, data loss prevention, and support smart links and smart car based authentication. This is also another authentication. Alright, one by one. Authentication prevent account. There's a two-factor. Instead of using username and password, after using username and password, you also have to use another factor. So that will be password and user together become only one factor. So you have to have another factor that you have to authenticate and to log in before you open your account or log in your account. That can be a smart car or any other or mobile phone. So now when I use my University of Minnesota account, I have to use another app in my phone. So when I put username and password again, there is another push tab that I use in my phone that I can approve to log in. So that's one good University of Minnesota have it, which is two-factor or multi-factor authentication. Okay, second, Premier network. So connection is between our local server network of external server and the connection and the internet will be very limited, and there will be a barrier. So the external server will support that barrier, which connection from the internet are terminated at the reverse proxy. So there's no direct connections between the internet and your local network. So to block the attack from bad guys. External server on the internet network, to me the security needs group of there is no direct connection from the internet to external server. So that's true. So there will be the internet, the proxy server will create another connection, request another connection to go to the network. So it will terminate the first connection request from the internet and creates another one, so that it will be the man in the middle. Okay, let's go. Certificate trust. Certificate trust, you have to create. It's already automatically installed when you are installing external server for secure communication with the client. The name is all the domain space name is must be included in the certification. If there's no, then there is a problem. When you create a website or anything, that there will be certification. If you don't have this, there are two kinds of certification. If you don't have both of them or one of them, then there will be an error thrown up that says one error that says error displayed in the client that says one, there is no security or security certification expire, something that you need to do something for that or update for. So, or I'm up to HTTPS now have also security on online so let's go to the Federation Trust. Federation Trust also, there's a communication between two organizations. So they don't know which one is trust. They can't trust each other. So this one, the name is based, the URL number, nobody trusts the other one. So what happens is Microsoft comes up with a solution. Microsoft Exchange server and comes up with a solution that says we will verify both of you. I will verify you and I will verify you. So when both of you are verified, they can see each other then because this one, when it connects to other organization, it sees that this organization is already verified, and they will see each other. So after that, so to share the information with another organization, you don't need to trust that organization. Don't trust me. Instead, you create a federated with Microsoft that requires Microsoft to verify the identity. The other organization also do the same thing. So there is alternative way that trust between two organizations. Important must verify. All right, let's start. So the last one, before last one, there is a load balancer. Load balancer is like it does also the same thing that proxy termination of proxy request, because if you have this one, you don't need to buy another one. This is the load balancer. The load balancer is, it balances, if there is a lot of traffic coming up, and then there is one or two, there's more than two servers, they share, they give the job. So if one server fails or become unhealthy, it moves the traffic or request to other server. So the load balancer works very, very redundant and very important cluster. So client requests are sent to the load balancer, and the load balancer distributes to its request to the client service into two or a model. So the most used one on is hardware load balancer, which is the monitors the health of nodes or servers. Okay, this is how it looks like, at the hardware load balancer. Data loss prevention, which is the last thing. When you send the email, and then the email goes in the middle of nowhere, because some server fail, and then you send or receive email and you don't know where this email. So is that monitors and reports prevent sensitive information about data loss prevention, and then they can describe this sensitive information first for each company. So this database laws, the United States says that the United States have this is also security and data and the loss prevention. So it says that there's some policy coming up with that DLB. That DLB comes with like how sensitive information it will scan, the sensitive information, and then there's action is performed against this email if this email included their sensitive information, how it, how to do act, and the level of reporting with this policy when on not really process enforce it, and then how you need to notify the end user that this sensitive information. All right. Well, that's it. The most features used in comes up with 365 enterprise solution hyper. Thank. Welcome back. This is Hassan Mohamed, University, Minnesota, Crookston. Enterprise messaging system security solutions, as I have proposed last 2 weeks on a company, that the medical company, with the enterprise solution Office 365 hybrid solution security features. So today I will propose some features of 365 security features for hybrid 365 that can help you and authenticate and help support the confidential of and database of the hospital, which is a very critical that database that needs to be safe.